Gattu Chinky washed the car. It was Saturday evening. Mummy was preparing dinner and Gattu Chinky were not letting Papa watch the TV. Hey kids, move away from the TV.
No, Papa. You are just watching the TV and not listening to us. Yes, Papa. You have been watching TV since so long.
Just then, Mummy comes from the kitchen and says,
You're absolutely right, Gattu Chinky. When Papa starts watching TV, he doesn't listen to anyone.
Oh ho! So now Mummy is also in your team.
That's what, Papa. Now you will have to listen to us.
Okay kids, tell me, what's the matter?
Papa, we have been asking you for a long time to take us on a road trip. Yes, Papa, and tomorrow is Sunday. We really want to go on a road trip.
Okay, let's go. When did I say no? Let's go on a road trip tomorrow.
No, we can't go tomorrow. What, Mummy? Now that Papa is agreed, why are you saying no? You guys go out and see the condition of the car. Papa has not washed the car for a long time, kids. And we cannot take a car on a road trip in such a dirty condition.
Oh no. The car will really be very dirty, kids. But you both don't worry. Next Sunday we will definitely go on a trip. Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky become very sad and sit quietly. Mummy Papa were also feeling bad. But they also could not take the car in such a dirty condition. Then suddenly Gattu gets an idea.
Mummy, Papa, if I and Chinky can get up early tomorrow morning and wash the car, will you take us on a road trip then?
Hearing Gattu's words, Mummy Papa start thinking. Papa says after thinking something. Okay, that's fine. If you both wash the car well, then we all will go. Gattu gets very happy after hearing Papa's words. But Chinky asks him softly.
Gattu, will we be able to wash the car well? Yes, Chinky, definitely we will do it. I have to go on a road trip, that's it. And for that I can do anything. I also want to go, Gattu. Okay then, it's fine. I will also support you completely.
Next day, Gattu Chinky wake up at 6 in the morning. Mummy is very surprised to see both of them awake.
Hey Gattu Chinky, you both actually woke up. That means you were serious about washing the car. Yes, Mummy, very serious. Now you give us the pipe. We both are going to wash the car. Wait, take Papa along with you. You alone will not be able to connect the pipe.
Then Gattu Chinky wake up Papa as well. And the three go near the car.
Gattu, this is a very serious case. It will be really hard to clean the car. Are you seeing its condition? Yes, Chinky.
I had already told you that the car is very dirty. Look kids, your pipe is all set. Now I am leaving. All the best. Saying this, Papa leaves. Gattu Chinky brought a bucket of washing liquid and a sponge with them.
Come on, Chinky. Let's get to work. You hold the pipe and I will go and turn on the tap. And be careful while doing it. Water will come out with speed. Okay, Gattu.
Gattu turns on the tap and water comes out of it with speed. Chinky is unable to handle the pipe and the water starts falling all over her. Seeing this, Gattu starts laughing out loudly.
Hey, I told you, Chinky, to hold the pipe properly. Now, before washing the car, you have washed yourself.
Chinky gets angry at Gattu and she turns the pipe in the direction of Gattu, due to which Gattu also gets wet.
Hey, what did you do, Chinky? Gattu, now we both have been washed properly. Now come on, let's wash the car.
Gattu and Chinky both start laughing. Then Gattu pours water on the car from the pipe, due to which the whole car gets washed clean. Then Chinky adds liquid soap in the bucket and starts making a foam.
Wow, so many bubbles are forming, Gattu. Yes, and its smell is also very nice, Chinky. Gattu, give me the sponge. I will clean the car properly with the foam now. Why will you do it? I will do this work. Oh really? The work which is of most fun? You will do it alone? No, I will do it.
Gattu and Chinky get into a fight over who will clean the car with the sponge. Hearing the noise of their fight, Mummy comes out and starts scolding them.
What is this, Gattu Chinky? You both are fighting with each other. And how did your clothes get so wet? Actually, Mummy, we started playing with the pipe. And right now we are fighting because Gattu is not giving me the sponge. Oh, if you both want to do all this, then come. Let's go inside the house. Now there will be no car wash and no road trip.
Both of them get scared from Mummy's scolding.
No, Mummy. Now we will not fight at all. Chinky, take the sponge. And you only clean with it. Till then, I will clean the tires. Yes, Gattu, this is perfect. Mummy, you go. Now we will not fight.
After getting scolded from Mummy, Gattu Chinky do the cleaning properly. After a lot of hard work, the car gets washed. And Gattu Chinky go and bring Mummy Papa outside. Oh wow! The car is sparkling clean, kids!
Yes, really. You both have done a great job, Gattu Chinky. Thank you, Mummy Papa. So now we will go on a road trip, right, Mummy Papa?
Yes, of course, kids. Come on, take a bath and have breakfast quickly. Then we all will go on a road trip. Gattu and Chinky get ready quickly and go sit in the car.
Look, these two have not even had breakfast properly. Hey, Mummy, we are going on a road trip, so we will have snacks on the way. It is a different fun all in all.
Understood, Mummy. These kids are very smart. Then Gattu Chinky Mummy Papa set out on their road trip. Papa turns on the music and Gattu Chinky start enjoying the views around. Then suddenly Papa sees a dhaba on the highway and Papa stops the car there. Children, come on. Let us sit here and enjoy tea and fritters. The weather is also so nice today.
Yay! Chai pakoras!
Then Gattu Chinky Mummy Papa sit at the dhaba and eat fritters while drinking tea.
Now where will we go after this?
Oh, I have heard that there is a very good and famous restaurant a little further on this road. We should go there. It will be almost noon while we reach there. Then we will have lunch there.
Yes, this is a good idea, Papa. Fine then, let's go there.
Then Papa takes everyone to that restaurant in the car. Gattu Chinky see that there was a garden outside the restaurant where there were many swings. Gattu Chinky run and sit on the swings.
Yay, this restaurant is so good, Chinky. Yes, Gattu.
Kids, come, let's have lunch first. Then you can swing comfortably.
Okay, Papa.
Then Gattu Chinky have lunch with Mummy Papa in that restaurant. And then both of them also enjoy the swings outside. After this, everyone leaves to return home. Papa played music again and now Gattu Chinky were watching the sunset while returning.
Papa, this sunset looks so lovely. Today was a very good day. It's true, Gattu. This day will always be remembered.
Yes, kids. Really, this road trip idea was not actually bad. But look, the car got so dirty in just one day. Maybe because of the dust and mud.
It's okay, Papa. We will wash the car again. Surely, kids? Yes, Mummy. Because we had a lot of fun washing the car.
They start laughing at this and go back home. Mummy learns the scooter. Gattu and Chinky were getting ready for school. And Mummy was helping them with their bags.
Gattu, Chinky, you both are running late. Hurry up and get ready to go to school. Yes, Mummy. By the way, did you know Goody's dad picks her up in a car these days? And Hari's mom also comes in a car to pick him up too. Remember, Mummy? Last year, you said you would pick us on a scooter? But you haven't done that yet. For that, I need to get a scooter first and learn to ride it too. Kids, looks like that will take some time. So you both have to wait a bit longer.
Gattu and Chinky laughed along with Mummy and then went off to school. But Papa overheard everything and got an idea. He thought, This is a great idea. Our anniversary is coming up, and now I know just what I have to do. Papa made a plan all by himself and didn't tell anyone about it. 2 days later, it was Mummy and Papa's anniversary, and Gattu and Chinky had decorated the whole house with balloons. After cutting the cake, Mummy gifted Papa a shirt.
Here you go. This is your favorite color, right? Wow, Mummy. You know all about Papa's favorite.
Yes, that's true. But today I also have something special that will make Mummy very, very happy.
Wow, Papa. What could it be that will make Mummy so happy? Yes. What is it, Papa?
Just wait, kids. Not so fast. Then Papa blindfolded Mummy and helped her move downstairs of their apartment. Gattu and Chinky followed them too. They were very excitedly and eager to see Mummy's surprise gift. When they got downstairs, Papa removed Mummy's blindfold and there stood a shiny new scooter.
What? A new scooter? Is this for real?
Yes, it's absolutely real. This is your gift.
Wow, Mummy. Your new scooter is really amazing. Yes, Mummy. Now you just need to learn to ride it quickly. Then you can pick us up from school, just like you promised. Of course, kids. I'll start learning from tomorrow itself.
Yes, we'll wake up early every day to go to ride the scooter. So, the next day, Papa and Mummy applied for a learning license. To pass the test, Mummy had to know all the traffic rules. That is why it was necessary to sit and learn about all the rules and traffic signs a day before the test. And Gattu and Chinky also helped her out in this.
Mummy, what does this sign means? Yes, this sign means we shouldn't overtake on this road.
Very good. And this one?
This means there's road work going on ahead. Yes, Mummy, excellent. And what about these two signs? Yes, I know. This one means parking is allowed here, and the other one means it's a no parking zone.
Wow, great job, kids. You have helped Mummy practice so well. Now she'll easily pass the test.
Yes, thank you so much, kids.
The next day, Papa and Mummy started waking up at 4 in the morning to go practice scooter riding. One day, Gattu and Chinky also woke up early and wanted to join Mummy and Papa. So Mummy took them along. Listen, kids, don't disturb Mummy. Let her focus only on riding the scooter, understand?
Okay, Papa.
Then Mummy started riding the scooter slowly, while Papa jogged alongside her. Yes, very good. Just keep going slowly. Keep your hands on both the accelerator and brake. Use the brake whenever you need to, and keep your speed low.
Okay, just stay with me, or I might fall.
No, don't be scared. You are doing great.
Wow, Mummy, you're riding the scooter like a pro.
Hearing Gattu and Chinky, Mummy suddenly lost her balance and couldn't control the scooter. Gattu and Chinky and Papa all got worried. But Papa quickly rushed over and steadied the scooter to prevent her from falling.
Mummy, are you okay? Yes, kids, I'm fine.
Kids, I told you not to call out, right? Then why did you start talking? What if Mummy had fallen?
Sorry, Papa, we made a mistake. It's okay, kids. Everything is fine.
But now I won't bring you along. Now you will have to wait and see when Mummy rides like an expert. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
A few days later, Mummy learned to ride well and applied for her driving license. Her driving test was scheduled in 2 days. Look, you did really well in your learner's test. Now it's time for the driving test. All the best.
But I am feeling really nervous. What if I mess up? Mummy, we believe that you'll do great in the test. Don't worry about it at all. Yes, Mummy. All the best.
2 days later, Papa took Mummy for her driving test. There were some cones set up that Mummy had to ride her scooter around. Look, you must not knock down any cones. You need to get that line and come back without touching any.
Can I really do this well?
Of course, you've practiced so much. Now don't worry and go for it. We are coming back with your driving license. Hearing Papa's encouragement, Mummy felt confident and started riding the scooter. She smoothly passed all the cones without touching even one. Mummy was super happy and Papa praised her. See, I told you, right? After passing the test, Mummy got her license.
Yes, I'm really very happy. But now we are not going home after this. I'm going to pick Gattu and Chicky up from the school on my scooter, just like I promised.
All right. Go and bring them back. I'll wait for you both at home. So, Mummy rode her scooter to Gattu and Chinky's school. When they saw her, Gattu and Chinky jumped with joy and they ran towards her.
Wow, Mummy, does that mean you got your license? Yes, Gattu, you got it right.
Then Gattu and Chinky sat behind Mummy on the scooter and they happily rode back home together. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.